Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about the All Progressives Congress in Rivers State that has given Simi Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, 48 hours to resign or be impeached. That order was given by the chairman of the All Progressives Congress caretaker committee in Rivers State, Tony Okocha, who is also a board member of the NDDC. He said that Simi Fubara has only two options: to resign or to be impeached. He said this while speaking to the press in his private residence in Port Harcourt. And the reasons he gave will make you laugh and will make you see Nigeria indeed as becoming a failed state, if not a banana republic. Tony Okocha, I don't know who was advising him, said that the governor should resign or be impeached because he has disrespected President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. In other words, they expect Tinubu to support the impeachment of Fubara because Simi Fubara disrespected Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So disrespecting the president of a country, let us assume without conceding that Simi Fubara disrespected President Tinubu. That has become an impeachable offense in Rivers State, Nigeria. That has become an offense for which a governor should step down for disrespecting the president. What was the disrespect that Okocha was talking about? The respect he was talking about was, remember when the APC, when the lawmakers loyal to Nyesom, 27 of them, after they resigned from the APC, from the PDP to the APC, they defected from PDP to APC, following their failed attempt to impeach Simi Fubara in 2023 December, when Simi Fubara was barely six months in office. These people wanted to impeach him. And because they are even ashamed of telling Nigerians why they want to impeach Fubara at that time. Because normally when you want to impeach somebody, you tell Nigerians what he has done wrong, what the constitutional issues that he violated. Okay? Because impeachment is not a tea party. It is something that is in the Constitution. The Constitution is clear on how to impeach a governor or deputy governor, how to impeach a president, conditions for impeaching a president, the constitutional violations for impeaching a governor or deputy governor, constitutional violations for impeaching a president or vice president. They are all in the Constitution. I have never seen anyone where it is recommended for a governor to be impeached because he disrespected the president. Now, before I digress, now, following that their failure to impeach the governor in 2023, the governor, there was a pushback. The governor ordered the demolition of the State House of Assembly as a self-help measure, which, of course, the Supreme Court condemned the other day when he delivered his judgment. Okay. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because of the tension in Rivers State at that time, and that kind of tension is building up right now over this talk of impeachment, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu brokered a peace accord, so to say, between Governor Simi Fubara and former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom. Okay, now, when in that meeting, in that meeting, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was not an honest broker. He was not an honest peace broker. Let us be fair with ourselves when we are talking about this. He was not an honest broker. He called that meeting, but you and I know that there is no way he's going to make a peace accord that will be against Nyesom Wike, the man who supposedly helped him to win Rivers State against all odds. Of course, you and I know that independent tabulation of the result of Rivers State by the Premium Times and the BBC showed that it was Peter Obi of the Labour Party that won. But Nyesom Wike somehow with INEC helped him to win it. So he felt he's indebted to Nyesom Wike, who he appointed to the juicy ministerial position as Minister of FCT. Okay, now, when there was that crisis, he called for a meeting. The 8-point resolution that came out from that meeting was all in favor of Nyesom Wike and against Simi Fubara. But Simi Fubara, despite everything, obeyed most of the things in that 8-point resolution, including withdrawing his case from the court, which was what helped these people, because these people did not withdraw their own. They were pushing. And Simi Fubara, being a man of peace, withdrew his cases from the court and all that. And they took advantage of it. That was why they seemed to have upper hand in the crisis when the matter now went to court again. Because Simi Fubara, in obedience, as a result of that lopsided Tinubu intervention, because the 8-point resolution was against Simi Fubara. No governor will accept that. He was told to accept all kinds of things. That is what, and you know, after that time, including, you know, that presidential meeting that was held in Villa, major stakeholders of Rivers State were there, including former Governor Peter Odley and all that. But after the resolution came out, most people were shocked that Simi Fubara could accept it, because everything was stacked against him. The pendulum was swinged against him. People like Edwin Clark cried out that this was to cage the governor and all that. So that is what Tony Okocha is regarding as an impeachment offense, that he did not respect the president. So he should be impeached. Then he was talking about that the Supreme Court has even has given them a leeway that they don't even need to constitute any impeachment, or just impeach the man. They are jokers. They don't know that it's not an easy job to impeach a governor. Before you impeach a governor, first of all, you must the state attorney general and all that must constitute part of the panel before you can even go ahead. The kangaroo impeachment that used to happen before cannot happen in Nigeria today. And already several people have reminded President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, that there will be consequences, especially by Ijaw leaders. They have said it, that there will be consequences if the first Ijaw man to become governor is impeached, or there was any attempt to impeach him. My advice is to those who are seeking this impeachment is that they should allow peace to reign. Simi Fubara was elected for 4 years. He has not committed any impeachable offense when they wanted to impeach him first in 2023 December. Even right now, he is the one calling for peace. He is the one calling them to put the state above any individual. He is the one calling for meeting with the pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers. They are the ones stonewalling. They are the ones indicating that they don't want peace. What they want is just they must impeach him. That impeachment they failed to accomplish in December 2023, when Fubara was barely 6 months in office. They still want to do it today. But that may have consequences for Rivers State and Nigeria. And now there are people who are calling for the arrest of Ijaw leaders for saying that they will not take it for Simi Fubara to be impeached. I don't know whether that's the best thing to do, or the best thing is to ensure that the state move ahead. If you don't like Simi Fubara, if you feel that he has failed people of Rivers State, let the people of Rivers State be the judge when they vote in 2027. If they don't like Fubara, he will be voted out. If they love him, he will be voted back. That should be an option, and that option should be left in the hands of Rivers State. It should not be left in the Supreme Court of Nigeria. It should not be left in the hands of any judiciary. It should not even be left in the hands of the 27 lawmakers who are beneficiaries of Nigeria's Supreme Court, who has become known for giving out judgments that has made people to be scratching their heads, wondering where they get these ideas from. So, as far as I can see it, the best option for peace, is to allow Simi Fubara finish his 4 years. If they don't like him, they should send him home through the ballot box, and not by Martin Samehule and his sponsors or the persons that bought forms for them during the election. That should not be so. That decision should be left in the hands of Rivers people. And they are patronizing Tinubu. They are saying that they cannot stand. If you read a statement by Tony Okocha, they say we cannot stand and see Tinubu being insulted. They are patronizing Tinubu. If Tinubu buy into that gimmick and support anything contrary to the will of Rivers State, former President Goodluck Jonathan has warned that Rivers State is what Rivers State is in Niger Delta is what Ibadan, what Southwest was in 2020 in the First Republic. Remember that it was the crisis in Southwest, Operation Wike, that led to the military coup in 1966 and to the Civil War in 1967. People should know history. People should always remember history. History don't repeat itself. It is men that repeat history. Former President Goodluck Jonathan, in his reaction to the crisis going on in Rivers State, has said that Rivers State, whatever happens to Rivers State, has impact on the Niger Delta. Rivers State is the capital of Niger Delta. When Rivers State sneezes, Niger Delta catches cold. And he made an allusion that what is brewing is tantamount to what happened in the Western region in the First Republic. And we know how that ended up. And like I said, history don't repeat itself. It is men that repeat history. But it is also men that avoid the crisis of history. So the best thing for the government to do, as they are patronizing Tinubu now, they are patronizing him so that he will bring out the federal might, so that they will do a kangaroo impeachment, gather themselves somewhere. Let them know. Let them listen to the caution of Goodluck Jonathan that there will be consequences if Rivers State is made ungovernable, so that they be able to, so that all of them will know that the best option is for peace. Even for the APC, that are beating drums of war, that peace is good for everyone. Let the people of Rivers determine Fubara's fate in 2027, and not the APC, and not the 27 lawmakers who have managed to get their position back through the instrumentality of Nigeria's Supreme Court. That's my take. I don't know what you think about this. What is your position on the APC telling Governor Fubara to resign or be impeached because he disrespected Bola Ahmed Tinubu? What do you think they are aiming? They are patronizing Tinubu. They want Tinubu to get involved directly. After all, Simi Fubara did not respect him. He did not obey the orders he gave from Abuja, the 8-point resolution. The 8-point resolution, Fubara did his part. Those who want to impeach him, we are still digging in, trying to frustrate him. He was not the one that didn't implement the resolution, 8-point resolution brokered by Tinubu. That 8-point resolution was brokered in bad faith, and anything brokered in bad faith will never achieve its end. At the end of the day, it fell apart as it should, because even Edwin Clark of blessed memory condemned that 8-point resolution because it was against Nyesom, it was against Simi Fubara, and gave Wike everything he wanted, which has never been done anywhere in Nigeria, where somebody who is not in power has more powers than governor in a negotiation. And Simi Fubara did his part. Yet, this is the reason why he should be impeached. And they were not even ashamed that there was no place in the Constitution where that was a condition for impeachment offense by a governor, that he didn't respect the president. Then a lot of people would have been impeached. I remember very well that even Bola Ahmed Tinubu, when Obasanjo was president, how respectful was he to Obasanjo? How respectful was Tinubu to Obasanjo when Obasanjo administration seized local government allocation in Lagos? How respectful was Bola Ahmed Tinubu? People should go and read newspaper. Google is your friend. Go and find out the reaction of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, whether he was respectful to Obasanjo when the local government allocation in Lagos State was seized by federal government under the administration of President Olusegun Obasanjo. Now, whatever is your position on this matter, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.